Hi students, we are seeing matter lesson in chemistry. Before start today topic, I remind you what is matter, atom and molecules. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. What is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element. What are molecules? Molecules are made up of atoms. Molecules are made up of atoms. And today our topic is element. Before start our topic, we want to know the usage of elements in our daily life. We are using many elements in our daily life. For example, when we are woke up from early in the morning, we first brush our teeth. That toothpaste contains fluorine element. What element present in the toothpaste? Fluorine element. When we go to the bed at night, we use fan or AC. That fan releases air. That air contains oxygen. So oxygen is an element. Our body also has 70% of water. Water formula H2O. H is an element, O is an element. When we eat our food, we add salt also. The salt chemical name sodium chloride. Chemical formula NaCl. Na is an element, Cl is an element. Sulfur, yes. Sulfur formula, yes. So sulfur is used as manure in agriculture. Sulfur is used as manure in agriculture. And also that sulfur is found in the egg yolks. Then the water contains chlorine in the swimming pool. That chlorine is used to clean the water from the germs. Our bones also contains phosphorus. The phosphorus is also is an element which is used to strengthen our bones. Our body building food is protein. The protein also contains nitrogen. The nitrogen is also used for plant growth. Likewise, there are so many elements we are using in our daily element. Who discovered this element and who termed this element? Robert Boyle. Who discovered element? Robert Boyle. So Robert Boyle is an Irish scientist. He discovered that substances are made up of atoms. He called these substances elements. So Robert Boyle என்ன சொன்னாரு, எந்த ஒரு பொருள் ஆட்டம்ஸால ஒரே டைப் ஆஃப் ஆட்டம்ஸால ஆனதோ அதுதான் எலமெண்ட். He also defined element, a substance made up of only one type of atom is called element. What is an element? A pure substance containing only one kind of atom. They cannot be separated into simpler materials by chemical or physical means. Is called an atom. So, not atom, sorry, element. So, element na என்னது? Pure substance. For example, chlorine அப்படின்னு எடுத்துருக்குன்னா Cl மட்டும்தான் அதில் இருக்கணும். ஹைட்ரஜன் அப்படின்னு இருந்தால் அந்த ஹைட்ரஜனுக்குள்ள வெறும் ஆட்டம்ஸ் ஹைட்ரஜனால் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். So what is an element? A pure substance containing only one kind of atom that cannot be separated. அது நம்மளால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, மறுபடியும் அந்த ஆட்டமை பிரிக்க முடியாது இன்னொரு பொருளாக. ஸோ நம்ம ஃபிசிக்கல் மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் சரி, கெமிக்கல் மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் சரி, we cannot separated into simpler material is called an element. How many elements are there? You have learned your 7th standard. Have you remember? Some of you remember there are 118 elements. How many elements are there? 118 elements. Out of these 118 elements, 94 elements occur naturally, while 24 elements have been created artificially in the laboratory. So 94 element எங்க இருக்கு? நேச்சுராவே இருக்கு. 24 element எங்க ரெடி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க? லேப்ல. Next, periodic table means this is called periodic table. இந்த பாக்ஸ்ல இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட் எல்லாமே என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? periodic table. We want to know about this. Periodic table contains all the elements. Periodic table contains all the elements. They are split. They split into groups and periods. So periodic table நம்ம என்னவா பிரிக்கலாம்? Groups, periods. Look at this periodic table. Number from 1 to 18. It appear on the top. மேலே பாருங்க நம்பர் 1ல இருந்து 18 வரைக்கும் இருக்கா? அது ஒரு பாக்ஸுக்கு நேராக போட்டிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ இந்த 1 to 18 இந்த ரோஸ் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லணும்? குரூப். அது என்னன்னு சொல்லணும்? குரூப். ஸோ பீரியட் நம்பர் 1லேருந்து 7 வரைக்கும் இருக்கா? நம்பர் 1 to 7 இந்த ரெட் கலர் சைட் பார் அதுதான் என்னது? பீரியட்ஸ். So horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods. And vertical columns are called groups. Vertical columns are called groups. How many groups are there? 18. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. So periodic tables are split into groups and periods. Groups, what are groups? The vertical columns from top to bottom is called groups. What are periods? The horizontal rows running from left to right is called periods. Then third point, metals are found on the left. Metals are found on the left. ரெட் கலர் சைடு ரெட் கலரில் இருக்கா? நம்பர் 1 7 அப்படிலாம் இருக்கா? ஸோ இந்த சைட் பார்த்தாடா நம்ம அதை என்னன்னு சொல்லணும்? மெட்டல்ஸ். ஃபோர்த் ஒன், நான் மெட்டல்ஸ் ஆர் ஃபவுண்ட் ஆன் த ரைட். நான் மெட்டல்ஸ் எந்த சைடு இருக்குமா? நமக்கு ரைட் சைடு. ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த பீரியாடிக் table. These periodic tables contains 118 elements. These 118 elements we are using. Then types of elements. What are the 3 types of elements? Metals, non-metals and metalloids. So these 3 types of elements you have learned in your lower class in 7th standard. Have you remember? First type element, metal. Metals are generally hard and shiny elements. Second types, non-metals. Non-metals are generally dull and soft. So non-metals are opposite to the metals. And third types, metalloids. And third types, metalloids. Metalloids have the properties of both metals and non-metals. So these 3 types of elements we can see on the next class briefly. Thank you, students.